When building documents in Smart Docs, you have the ability to add work items that have already been created in your project as existing items to the document. Here, go into the right panel and click on Insert Work Items. You can now fetch those work items by query ID or title. For query, you can pick from either your My Queries folder or your Shared Queries folder and list the work items from that query down below. From here, you can select either an individual work item or a group of work items to add to your document. To add an individual work item, simply select that work item and drag and drop it to the intended location of your document, and you'll see that the work item has now been added. You'll also notice that when you drag and drop a work item, you'll see a red or green highlight. These red highlights indicate an invalid placement of the work item in the document. By contrast, a green highlight indicates a valid placement of the work item. Now, you also have the ability to bring in groups of work items, so instead of an individual feature, you can select multiple features. Hold your Control button down and select them accordingly. From there, simply drag and drop them onto your document. Now you also have the ability to bring in an entire hierarchy of work items as well. So, let's say in our next example you'd like to bring in the epic, but also all of the features and requirements that are built under that epic. So, what you can do here is check off this box, include work item in hierarchy, and then select your epic. This will automatically select all of the features and requirements under it. And from there, drag and drop the entire tree onto your document and have that represented in your Smart Docs. So this wraps up our video on adding work items to your document, whether it's individual work items or a hierarchy of work items. Be sure to check out all of our other videos on Smart Docs and on modern requirements.